Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Galarian Ponyta is probably one of the most enchanting and sought-after Pokémon in the Galar region, known for its unique psychic abilities and its stunning, iridescent mane that shimmers with pastel colors, making it a visually captivating creature that stands out amongst its peers, and its gentle nature makes it a beloved companion for trainers seeking a Pokémon that embodies both grace and mystical power, offering a truly magical experience for any collector or player. Number 5. Pokémon TCG, Galarian Rapidash V-Box. Get ready to add a powerful new ally to your collection. This box features the stunning Galarian Rapidash V, ready to gallop into your next battle. Inside, you'll find an exclusive foil promo card showcasing the majestic Galarian Rapidash V. Its unique abilities are sure to impress. Make a statement with the included foil oversize card. It's a fantastic display piece for any Pokémon TCG enthusiast. Expand your gameplay with 4 Pokémon TCG booster packs. You never know what amazing cards you might discover within. Plus, a code card is included to unlock exciting content in the Pokémon trading card game online. Continue your adventure in the digital world. What we like? This offers a powerful Galarian Rapidash V card, perfect for TCG players looking to add a strong attacker to their deck. If you are a collector or a competitive player seeking new cards, this box provides excellent value with multiple booster packs to enhance your collection. If you enjoy the thrill of opening packs and discovering rare cards, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The Galarian Ponyta is a beautiful and unique addition to any Pokémon collection. Its pastel colors and flowing mane make it a visually striking figure. This figure captures the ethereal and gentle nature of the Galarian Ponyta perfectly. Number 4. Pokémon 8-Pack Battle Ready Figure Set. Bring the excitement of the Pokémon world to life with this incredible figure set. It features beloved characters from the Galar region, ready for action. This 8-piece set includes a fantastic collection of your favorite Pokémon. You'll find Pikachu, Eevee, Wooloo, and many more ready for battle. These figures are designed for action. Some are dynamically posed, while others are fully articulated, allowing for endless battle scenarios. Straight from the Pokémon anime, trading cards, and video games, these figures capture the essence of your most cherished adventures. They are inspired by Sword and Shield, Scarlet and Violet, and more. Looking for a gift that will thrill any young Pokémon trainer? This set is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It's perfect for kids aged 4 and up. You can trust the quality and authenticity of this officially licensed Pokémon merchandise. Your favorite characters are waiting for you. What we like? This set brings the Galar region to life with a variety of popular Pokémon figures, including Galarian Ponyta. If you're looking for a fun toy for younger fans or a starter set for a Pokémon collection, this is a great option. If you want a gift that offers immediate playability and features multiple characters, this battle-ready set is perfect. What people say. This Galarian Ponyta is a fantastic addition to any Pokémon collection, featuring its unique psychic fairy typing. The design of the Galarian Ponyta is incredibly charming, with its flowing mane and pastel colors, making it a standout figure. Its special ability, Run Away, is useful for escaping battles, and its stats are well balanced for strategic gameplay. Number 3. Takara Tomy Pokémon Moncolle MS42 Ponyta, Galarian Form. Introducing the enchanting Galarian Form Ponyta from Takara Tomy's Moncolle line. This collectible figure brings the magic of the Galar region right to your fingertips. Standing at MS42, this figure captures the unique appearance of Galarian Ponyta. It's a perfect addition for any Pokémon trainer's collection. Experience the wonder of the Galar region with this beautifully crafted figure. It's designed with attention to detail, reflecting its special form. From the renowned Takara Tomy, this Moncolle figure ensures high quality and authenticity. You can trust the craftsmanship for your display. Don't miss out on adding this special Galarian Ponyta to your Pokémon Moncolle collection. It's ready to gallop into your adventures. What we like? This is a highly detailed figure of the Galarian Ponyta, perfect for collectors who appreciate accuracy. If you are a fan of the Galarian Ponyta and want a displayable, high-quality collectible, this Moncolle figure is an excellent choice. If you prefer smaller, detailed figures that capture the essence of the Pokémon, this one stands out. What people say. The Galarian Ponyta is a unique and beautiful addition to any Pokémon collection, with its distinctive pastel colors and flowing mane. Its design is inspired by the mythical unicorn, giving it an ethereal and magical appearance that stands out. This special form of Ponyta boasts a psychic fairy typing, offering a different strategic advantage in battles compared to its Cantonian counterpart. Number 2. Mega Construx Pokémon Galarian Ponyta Power Pack. Unleash your creativity with this Mega Construx Pokémon Power Pack. You can build and pose your very own Galarian Ponyta, complete with authentic details and posable legs and head. This set includes a buildable action effect to bring your Pokémon battles to life. Imagine all the dynamic poses and adventures you can create. As an extra treat, this set comes with a bonus love ball pin. It's the perfect accessory for any Pokémon fan. With 64 bricks and pieces, this toy offers endless building possibilities. It's compatible with all Mega Construx sets and other major brands, so you can combine it with your existing collection. Designed for builders aged 6 and up, this construction toy encourages creativity and problem solving. It's a fun way to develop essential skills while playing. What we like. This offers a unique buildable and posable Galarian Ponyta, appealing to those who enjoy construction toys. If you are looking for an interactive toy that combines building with play, this Mega Construx set is ideal. If you like to customize and pose your Pokémon figures, the posable legs and head make this a fun choice. What people say. The Galarian Ponyta is a beautiful and unique addition to any Pokémon collection. Its design is inspired by the mystical forests of Galar, featuring pastel colors and a flowing mane. This special form of Ponyta is known for its psychic abilities and gentle nature. Number 1. Nanoblock Pokémon Galar Ponyta Building Kit. Introducing the Galar Ponyta from Nanoblock's beloved Pokémon Collection series. This charming creature stands about 2.5 inches tall, ready to be brought to life. With 180 pieces, this building kit offers a rewarding challenge. It's designed for builders aged 15 and up, rated at a level 3 difficulty. Experience the magic of Nanoblock's incredibly small bricks, measuring just 4mm x 4mm x 5mm, create stunning 3D art that fits perfectly in your palm. It's not just fun to build, it's also a joy to display and collect. Bring your favorite characters to life with incredible detail and realism. Each set comes with detailed, step-by-step instructions to guide you through the building process. You'll create delicate expressions and pixel art-like designs with ease. Rest assured, this is an officially licensed Kawada product. Look for the Bandai Namco warning label on the box as proof of authenticity. What we like. This Nanoblock kit provides a detailed and challenging building experience for Galarian Ponyta. If you are an adult collector or a teen who enjoys intricate building projects and pixel art, this is the perfect item. If you appreciate a display piece with incredible detail and a satisfying build process, this advanced Nanoblock set is for you. What people say. The Galarian Ponyta is a beautiful and unique addition to any Pokémon collection. Its design is inspired by the mystical forests of Galar, featuring a pastel color palette and a flowing mane. This special edition figure captures the essence of the character with its intricate details and high-quality craftsmanship. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.